Hello everyone, how to do it back with another new video, and in this video I'll guide you how to send friend request to anyone on Hui. So Hui by TikTok is related to TikTok account. If you want to find the people on Hui, then you can find. So first of all, you have to find their ID by username, TikTok username. So just randomly type Michael, and you'll get all the people here who have the TikTok account or Hui account. I'm just going to find this person, and then how can you send friend request? So simply tap on the add friends. Then you can see you can send messages, or there is a like can we be friends. So then simply tap the send. It means like friend request sent. Once that person accept you, then you become a friend with Michael. So this way you can send friend request to on Hui account. So okay friend, today's no more, and see you in the next video.